So today we have Timothy Lewis, founder of DevXDAO. Timothy, how are you doing?
Worked for 3 of the top 50 banks in the world. I grew to love and despise the financial industry. So basically, the process is show up in our Telegram chat at DevXDAO, and get familiar with our white paper that's in a pinned message, and get familiar with our portal. So the systems are enabled for use now, and some of the basic contracts are understood. So we're starting to see kind of this second generation of what do we do just beyond tokenized contracts, and seeing some of the gaming space evolve. I mean, we've seen the beginnings of the NFT and the collectible, the art world, the real world, virtual world property juxtaposition.
Yeah. So thank you, Timothy, and we hope to see you next time.
Well, thank you for having me here anytime you want.